Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to do a flip through this autumn ephemera book I got, and it's done by Kate Curry and Poortoast, and I love their books. So I've been wanting the one that's got autumn ephemera, so I got this one and I thought I would share it with you. So without further ado, let's get started. All right. I just always have loved the pages. So I believe the one I use, maybe, let's see, I like to use this one a lot. Let's see, it's from Poortoast. So I do love their images. Okay, got this beautiful fall floral pumpkins. They're gorgeous. Well, I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I love the backgrounds on that. And you know, I need to try to do something like do background pages in an art journal like that. I see Debbie does it a lot from My Vagabond Style. Let's see here. I love this. Oh, look at the critters. How cute. Oh, that's beautiful. That would be hard to cut. Oh my. Usually I don't have a problem with background pages, but that's gorgeous. With this little umbrella. Oh, cute. I love the Bulldogs. Go State. First game Saturday. Oh, little turkey. Oh, I love these. How cute. Aw. Oh, that's gorgeous. A little glass. Oh, the cow. How sweet. Aw. I adore these. And the background pages are gorgeous too. Okay. Let's see here. Oh. Oh, gorgeous. Beautiful. Oh. I'm ready for fall. I love the colors. Oh, how beautiful. This is going to be a fun book to use. All right. Oh, isn't that beautiful? All this wonderful food. I had to have a colonoscopy yesterday. I'm filming this on Tuesday. And so I had to do all that fasting. Oh, that's beautiful. On Sunday. And it was not fun. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Oh, I love this. I love the little boys. Oh, gorgeous. Okay. I like spooky. Fun spooky. Oh. That face. All of that. How sweet. Oh, beautiful. I love the modern girls like that. Oh, it's gorgeous. All of these are gorgeous. Oh, look, she beautiful. Oh, how fun. Oh, man, that looks like my father-in-law's pasture. He had an old barn. So pretty. Oh, that's pretty. I love the cottage. I love those colors. I love the background with the bright colors. That's beautiful. I always got excited for September and the fair came. That's pretty. I always love the old trucks and the old farmhouses. Beautiful. Oh, very beautiful. Oh, I love the dandelions. Pretty. Looking at all this and I'm just a sweating. It's in the 90s, or supposed to be in the 90s today. Oh, that's pretty. Love that. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this flip through. I think I did good with this one. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take care. And until next time, bye y'all.